Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add and connect payment methods to your Wix website. This is essential if you're running an online store or offering services, as it allows your customers to pay you directly through your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This takes you into the specific settings for your website where you can manage all its features and configurations. Now you'll see the website settings page. Take a moment here to make sure that this is the correct website you wish to connect a payment button on. If you manage multiple sites, it's important to verify you're working on the right one before making any changes. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the editing interface where you can customize your site's appearance and functionality. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. Locate the Add Elements menu from the left navigation panel. This menu contains all the different components you can add to your website, from text boxes to images to payment buttons. From the Add Elements menu, locate Payments. This section is specifically designed for integrating payment options into your site. Under the Pay Buttons option, simply drag it to your website canvas to add it. Once you've added the payment button to your desired location, click on it. A Manage Payment Methods Settings option will appear. Go ahead and click on it to configure your payment options. Before proceeding with the actual connection, it's recommended to click on the Business Location setting. This allows you to see which payments are accepted from the region or country you've selected. Make sure to choose the location where your business is actually located, as payment availability can vary significantly by region, and this ensures you're offering the right options to your customers. Under the Accept Payments section, you'll see different types of payment methods you can use. Choose from PayPal, Stripe for cards, or manual payments. Each option has its own advantages. PayPal is great for customers who prefer that platform. Stripe handles credit and debit cards seamlessly, and manual payments work well for bank transfers or other offline payment methods. Simply click on Connect next to your chosen payment method, and you'll be prompted to enter the payment or card details or PayPal account information to link into your Wix website as your payment method. Follow the prompts carefully and enter all required information accurately to ensure smooth transactions. And that's it. You've successfully connected a payment method to your Wix website, allowing you to start accepting payments from your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.